guys! Welcome to my scrappiness! Hey guys, this is Marissa again. I'm here to show you this kit, Wild and Free from Kiwi Lane. Getting you up close to the layout samples and the baby theme right here. We're going to open this kit now so I can show you what's inside and the patterns of the papers that are inside. Our kits come normally with 6 papers and of course the half sheet that is in front. I'm kind of excited to use this paper because I attended a hot air balloon event with my family in March. So I'm going to use this paper. And here's the back side of the cover sheet. And then of course we have the 6x12 paper here, getting this close to you guys so you can see the patterns. Love that blue flower pattern there. So cute. Anyway, now we have our card paper. Of course, we have the one on top that you could use with borders. And then of course we have the base for the card if you want to turn that into a card. We have the sayings here and embellishments. Let your dreams take flight. And then of course the crayon, the blue crayon saying over there. We have just daydreaming and be curious over here. Then of course wherever you go, go with all your heart. So cute. And then of course we have the circles that you can cut out, you know, the embellishments that you can cut out. And at the back, I'm just showing you the back of the border paper over there, the print. And then be wild and free. Let me love you a little more before you're not little anymore. And then you are loved. And of course we have this other cutouts here that you could use. I love those random moments that make me smile no matter what is going on in life. And then of course we have be crazy, be stupid, be silly, be weird, be whatever, because life is too short to be anything but happy. Then of course we have the other side of the base of the card. There you go, folks. Then we come to these 2 papers here that we could use for the base of the layout. And this is the other side, more neutral color. So of course, here's the green, the pattern closer up to you, I mean. And then of course, you can use either that side or this side. So cute. Okay, so this is one of my favorite papers actually in this kit, I should say. I love the hot air balloons. And then of course you have the elephants down here. So cute. On the back side, I'm bringing you closer to the print. Cute. I love the colors. Then we have another neutral print here, black and gray. On the other side, arrows. And finally, we have the last paper. There is the 6x12 prints, the top and the bottom. So cute. And then, of course, the other side. It's kind of orangey red. And so that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you guys who are curious of what's in the Wild and Free layout kit. If you like this, please thumbs up. Please share and let your friends know about my channel. Please subscribe and thanks again for watching. Bye.